Hello techies! Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
A compensation. A compensation. Okay, so some people are saying compensation. Man. And some people are saying compensation elements. Okay. Sorry, it's an F. Right. Okay, so I will put it like this. Bad F, but stay. Okay, now next one. A required component to link compensation in withdrawal, to ensure that you read payroll earnings. That's it. This is the element. Right. This is the element. So the previous question is A. Yeah, so I will cross it out. The previous question is actually the salary or the compensation plan. Right. This is the component for which an employee is paid: salary plan, hourly plan, allowance plan. Last option allows localized vision of period guidelines. E. This is E. So what happens to the first one then? B. This is actually B. So E becomes B. Good job. So provide speed and guidelines as reference. That is the compensation grade. Right. This is the definition of a compensation rate. It provides a page guidelines as our preference. Again, you are in the previous page. We had a question. Can we enter a value that is over or more than or less than the grade? And you said yes, which is correct. Because the grade is just a guideline. Correct. Groups, compensation plans, and grades. That is our package. Determine an employee's eligibility. Of course, the answer is in the question itself. It is the eligibility rule. A component for which an employee is paid and for what purpose. It is a compensation plan. Required component is a compensation. Element and localization is grade profile.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.